Hello students, here's a quick video on how to play the easy piano part for The Power of Love by Huey Lewis and the News in D major. Now we've got three different parts that we need to learn. We need to learn the chorus section, which is the same as the intro, the verse, and then also the bridge. So let's start with the intro / chorus sections. So starting with the intro section, this is also the same as the chorus, but there are some differences, so we'll look at them separately. So I'll play the intro for you first and then we'll talk about it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's talk about that. So the main pattern, and this is the pattern that we're going to be playing in the chorus, is this: B, A, F sharp, G, B, A, F sharp, G. Okay, we hear those bits as soon as it comes in. That's the first thing we hear is that melody. Now in the intro, we're going to be playing it 3 times. So again, keep your hands in that F position, okay? We're going to start with B, okay, with finger number 4. And we're going to go B, and then to A, okay? And the way we count that is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So the B lands on beat 4 of the previous bar, and then A is the first beat of the next bar, okay? So after 3, we'll go 1, 2, 3, B, A, okay? So B to A, and then we've got 2 beats rest before we play F sharp and then G. Now it's up to you how you want to play this. There's a couple of ways you can. I mean, obviously, if we've got our hands in that F position, we can't really reach it with our thumb, and it means we'll have to break the position, but that's okay. After we've done the B to A, what I tend to do is go second finger to F sharp, and then my thumb will go underneath to play the G. Okay, F sharp to G. Now you could go and then move your hand down and play 2 and then 3. It's up to you, but then you've got a bit more of a shift to go back up to that F position to go back to the B. So again, you can either go 2 and then 1, or you can go 2 then 3, but then you've got a bit more of a shift back to that F position. So like I said, we're going to play this 3 times. The first 2 times it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay? Now, the third time we do the same again. And then F sharp to G. And then we stop. Okay? We don't go back to the B again. Alright? Third time we just land on that G and 3 beats rest. Okay, so that's that first section, that first sort of 3 pattern repeat. Now straight after that, we're going to this F to G. Now this is the same sort of pattern that we're playing in the verse. Okay, so we've done the intro, we've had that main theme, and then now we're going into that verse theme. But the verse hasn't started yet, this is still part of the intro. Now all we're going to be doing is playing F, and then to G. And then we do a little G, F, okay? And then to G again, and then we have 2 Gs on its own. Okay, so those 4 bars sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. And then we go into the verse. So all we're doing there is playing F for 3 beats. And then we're going to change to G, but it's not going to come in on the 4th beat, it's on the and of 4. So if we listen to this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's not on the 4th beat, it's not the 1 of the next bar, it's the and of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the next bar the same thing happens, but now we're going G, F, okay, so 4 and 1. Alright, so playing from the first bit, we're going to go F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3, 4 and F. Okay, so it's that 4, 4 and 1. Okay, back to the F again. And then we go back to the G in the same pattern that we did before. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now this time, beats 3 and 4 on that fourth bar, we're going to go G, G. Okay, so we're just going to play in beats 3, 4. So those 4 bars, nice and slow. Okay, listen out for the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just remember that little 3, 4 at the end on the G. So that's the intro section. Now I want to look at we'll skip the verse because we'll go to the chorus now. Okay, because we've just learned that B, A, F sharp, G. Okay, and we have a similar thing that happens in the chorus. We're doing that same 3-bar repetition. Okay, with the third bar being slightly different. Okay, so I'll play the chorus section for you, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so chorus, 1, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, 4, C, G, A. Alright, so the only thing that's different there is the last 3 bars. So after that third repetition, okay, where we go F sharp, G, and we land on that G. We've then got the 3 beats the rest of the bar, and then we're doing this thing. C, C, G, G, A. Okay, so all that is C to G. So C with your 5th finger, G with your 2nd finger, and then A. Alright, so C 2 times, G 2 times, and then A, we're going to play 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's play through the chorus again and see if you can play along at home. You ready? 1, 2, 3. B, A, 2, 3. F sharp, G, 2, 3. B, A, 2, 3. F sharp, G. Okay, third time. Ready? F sharp, G to the C. Ready, go. C, C, G, G, A, 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 A. Alright, so that's the chorus section. So now let's look at the verse section. So again, like I said in the intro, we've already kind of played this, but now we've got a slightly simplified version. All we're going to be doing is playing F to G. And we're going to be doing that same sort of push pattern on the sort of the and of 4. So we're going to go F, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go then back on F on the first beat. And all we're doing is playing that 4 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we play that 4 times. And then after the 4th time, we've got this little break, where we have a little break in the vocals, and it just changes very slightly. We're doing the same F to G, same rhythm, but when we go into the bar of G, the 3 and 4, like we did in the intro, we're going to be playing G, G. Okay, so after the 4 times, this is those 2 bars. We're going to go F, 2, 3, 4, and G, 2, and G, G. So that again from the F, 2, 3, and F, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and G, G. Okay? And then after that, we just go back into that same pattern of F to G, okay, with the same rhythm. So the only bit to learn now is the bridge, okay? So the bridge, again, we're going to stay in this F position, but we are going to have to move a little bit now as we've got some new notes that get introduced. So let's start. So all we're doing is we're going to be playing F, and we're holding that for 4 beats. Then we're going to go to A and play that for 4 beats. Now this is where we've got to stretch slightly out of position, okay, because we've got to stretch 5 to go up to D here. Okay, so obviously when the F position, if you just move your little finger up to D, we can play that, okay, and again we're holding that 4 beats. And then we're going to go down to G, and this is where you want to move back into that position, okay? So 2 needs to play that G. So we've gone from that 5 on D, back to 2 on G, and we're back in that position. Because next, we're going to be playing this. We're going to be playing a B flat, again, for 4 beats, and we're going to do that with finger number 4. Then we're going to go down to A, and you can do that with your middle finger, finger number 3. Then down to G, you can do that with your index finger, finger number 2. Again, 4 beats. And then down to F with finger number 1. Again, 4 beats. Then we're going to go back up to that B flat with finger number 4. Hold for 4 beats. And then we've just got A, and we're going to play that quarter notes, and we'll play that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's just go through those notes again before we talk about that last bit. So, top of the bridge again. Okay, we're in that F position. Alright, we're going to be playing F with our thumb, with finger number 1, for 4 beats. To A with our 3rd finger, for 4 beats. Then move your 5th finger up to D, and play that for 4 beats. And then this time, then we're going to move down to G. And again, using our 2nd finger there, so that pulls us back into position. Now, 4 to B flat, 4 beats. A, with finger number 3, 4 beats. 2 on G, 4 beats. And then F, for 4 beats. Then we're going to go to B flat again. And then we're just going to play A 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now let's just play through that at a nice steady pace together, and then we'll talk about those last 4 bars that we've got on the bridge. So here we go. From the F, top of the bridge. 1, 2, 3, and F. 2, 3 to A. 2, and now to D. 2, 3 to G. Okay, to B flat. 2, 3 to A. 2, 3 to G. 2, 3 to F. Okay, and now to B flat. 2, 3 to A. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the first part of the bridge. Now the next 4 bars, we're going back to that same verse groove of playing F to G on the and of 4, and then back to F, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to play F to G twice, and then the 3rd time we're doing that same thing where we're going to play G on the 3 and 4 of that G bar. Okay, so those last 4 bars with repeats, okay? We'll play it now. It sounds like this. 2, 3, and F. 2, 3, and G. 2, 3, back to F. 2, 3 to G. Okay, 3rd time on F. 1, 2, 3 to G. And we go 3, 4. Okay, so that's all that's happening at the end of that bridge section. So the only other new bit is the guitar solo. But in that, we're just playing the same verse groove that we learned, the F to G. Okay, so we've played that on the tail end of the bridge, and that continues through into the guitar solo. Okay, so now I'm going to do a full playthrough of the entire song, nice and steady, so you can play along at home. Now we come straight in here, there's no bars of rest or anything. I'm going to give us 3 beats, and we're straight in on that B, A, okay? So make sure you've got your hand in that F position, okay? We're going to keep it nice and steady. Here we go. From the start. After 3. 1, 2, 3. B, A. 2, 3. F sharp, G. 2, 3. B, A. 2, 3. F sharp, G. 3rd time. B, A. 2, 3. F sharp, G. Ready to F. Go. F. 2, 3. To G, 2, 3, and G, F, 2, 3, to G, 3 and 4, and 3, 4, verse 1, to G, 2, 3, and 2, 3, to G, 2, 3, and F, 2, 3, to G. Okay, last time, ready, and F, 2, 3, to G. Okay, the ones in the middle, ready, and F. 2, 3 to G, ready, and 3, 4 to F. 2, 3, and G. 2, 3, 4. F. 2, 3 to G, and repeat, go, F, 2, 3 to G. Okay, ready for chorus? We go, F, 2, 3 to G. Chorus, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G. Third time, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, up to C, go, C to G and A. Instrumental, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3 and G, F, 2, 3 to G, 3 and 4, 3, 4, verse 2, 3 to G, 2, 3 to F, 2, 3 and G, and repeat, go, F, 2, 3 to G. Ready for chorus? Here we go, and F, 2, 3 to G. 1, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G. Third time, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G to C. Here we go, and C, C, G, G, A. Okay, into bridge, and F, 2, 3 to A, 2, up to D, 2 to G, 2, 3 to B flat, 2, 3 to A, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3 to F, 2, back to B flat, 2, 3, now A, 2, 3 and A. Now to F, go, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3, repeat, F, 2, 3 to G. Okay, ready, and F, 2, 3 to G, 3 and 4, 3, 4, guitar solo, 3 and G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 2 more times, ready, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3 to G, and again, go, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3 to G. Okay, back to F, go, 1, 2, 3 to G. Ready for third chorus, and we go, F, 2, 3 to G, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and again, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G. Okay, keep going, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and again, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and again, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and again, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, 2 more times, 3, B, A, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and again, B, A, 2, 3, ready to G, 1, 2, 3, and G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.